You would not believe what those. I ate one of the marshmallows, the whole thing. It was so good. The Purple Alien edibles are so good. And then I had another piece of the cinnamon toast crunch. And I wanted that flavor so badly because they make them so well that I ended up going and getting Rice Krispie treats and cinnamon toast crunch and Cheerios for some photos, for some reels. And let me flip this. Can I flip it? I guess maybe I can't. Reese's everything. The dark thins and 2 packages of eggs and 2 packages of combos. Highly recommend. Highly recommend.